Where are my pasta lovers? Oya, gather here. Let's make this delicious, yummy, simple spaghetti recipe. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and do other good stuff to this channel. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. To my OGs, thank you so much, guys, for always and always coming back. So, guys, without wasting too much time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. Okay. And here is my chopped onions I'll be using to prepare this pasta. So here I have my tatashi, that's my red bell pepper, and I also have my red scotch bonnet pepper. For this spaghetti, we are keeping it very, very simple. So here I have my beef I'll be using to prepare this spaghetti. And here I have my spaghetti. And here is my seasoning cube. I'm using the regular Maggi, okay, regular Maggi star. So guys, we are going to start now by boiling our water, okay. So I'm going to start now by adding in water in my pot, and then I'm just going to cover this pot and I'll bring this water to a boil. So guys, our water is boiling now. I'm going to be adding in salt, and I'm going to stir the water, and then I will add in my spaghetti. So guys, I'm just going to stir this now. I will cover the pot and cook this for 8 minutes, okay. And 8 minutes later, our spaghetti is cooked. So now I'm just going to bring it down, and then we'll start making our stir fry. If at this point you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And here in my dried balls, I'll be going in with some vegetable oil. So guys, I'm just going to heat up this oil, and then I'll go in with my next ingredient. So now that our oil is hot, I'll be adding in my onions. I added in onions and garlic, okay. Don't worry, the garlic is going to melt completely in the oil. So I'm just going to stir this now, and then I will add in my curry powder. I will stir this now, and then I'm going to fry this for 2 minutes, okay. So guys, it's 2 minutes later. I'll be adding in my pepper mix. It's my mixture of pepper and the tatashi. I will stir this, cover the pot and allow the pepper to fry. So guys, now that our pepper is fried, I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this now and then I'll add in my beef. So guys, I'm just going to stir and then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry some more. And guys, if you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, like the video if you have not liked the video. So now I'm just going to add in some of the meat stock just to loosen this sauce a bit. I'm going to stir and then I'll add in my pasta. So guys, I'm just going to mix the spaghetti in the pasta now until they both marries each other very well. And guys, this is what we have. Our spaghetti is ready. See, this is very easy. Okay, in less than 20 minutes you are done with this. You can have this either as breakfast or as your dinner. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Okay, don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me, please. I always love to read your comments, and please help me to share this video. Please help me to share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.